Welcome to Palampur, a village where every field, every tool, and every hand tells a story of production. Look there. A farmer's family is harvesting wheat. Just down the road, a tubewell hums as it irrigates the land. At the corner, a potter kneads clay while a shopkeeper arranges goods for sale. Have you ever stopped to ask what makes all these activities possible? The answer lies in a powerful economic principle, the organization of production. And today, we are going to explore what it really takes to produce anything, from crops to clothes, from services to software. Asterisk. Let's start at the root. Production means creating goods and services that satisfy our needs and wants. But it's not just about making things. It's about putting the right pieces together in the right way at the right time. So, what do we need to produce something? That's where the organization of production comes in. It's the process of bringing together resources thoughtfully and efficiently to generate output either for personal use or to sell in the market. Think of it like baking a cake. You need ingredients, tools, a recipe, and of course, someone to bake it. Economics works the same way. There are 4 key ingredients to every production recipe. Economists call these the factors of production. First up, land. This doesn't just mean soil. It includes all natural resources like water, forests, and minerals. Second, labor. The people who do the work, physically or mentally. Some laborers till the soil, others write code. Both are essential. Third, capital. Now, this comes in 2 types: fixed capital, long-term tools like tractors, buildings, and machinery. Working capital, raw materials and money that get used up, like seeds, fertilizers, or cash paid to workers. And fourth, human capital. This is the entrepreneur, the one who has the knowledge, skill, and vision to put everything together. Let's take farming as an example. You need land to grow wheat, labor to sow and harvest, tools to cultivate, cash to buy inputs, and most importantly, someone who plans it all. That's organization of production in action. Asterisk. Meet Tejpal Singh, a large farmer from Palampur. He owns over 10 hectares of land. That's land sorted. He hires laborers during sowing and harvesting. He has tractors, threshers, and a warehouse, fixed capital covered. He buys seeds, fertilizers, and fuel. There's his working capital. And it's his experience and decision-making that we call human capital. Tejpal Singh sells his surplus wheat in Raiganj market. He saves, reinvests, and grows his business season after season. That's how a well-organized production system works. It builds efficiency, profit, and sustainability. Asterisk. Let's now apply this with a real example from the textbook. Farmer 1 produces 100 kilograms of wheat. He consumes 40 kilograms and keeps the remaining 60 kilograms as surplus. Now here's the twist. This surplus becomes the capital for next year. Suppose production is twice the capital used. So, in year 2, the capital is 60 kilograms. Production becomes 2 into 60 is 120 kilograms. Again, he consumes 40 kilograms and reinvests 80. In year 3, production becomes 2 into 80 is 160 kilograms. See how it builds over time? This is how surplus, capital, and production are all tied together mathematically and logically. Asterisk. You might be wondering, what if I'm not a farmer? Well, whether you're running a food truck, starting a YouTube channel, or opening a tuition center, the formula stays the same. You need a space to work, land, people to help, labor, tools and materials, capital, and most importantly, your vision and decisions, human capital. The concept of production applies to everyone, everywhere. Let's wrap up. Land, labor, capital, human capital. These are the pillars of production. And how you organize them? That's where success lies. So, whether you're sowing seeds in a field or launching your first business, remember this: production is not just about making things, it's about planning them smartly. In the next video, we'll explore the farming in Palampur, how people earn beyond the fields, and how these activities are shaping the rural economy of India.